Hello guys, this is Adar and welcome back to my channel Tech Programmer Others. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe it for more coding videos and let's jack in. Now, this is a game we are going to make. Yes, when the ball touches the red line, we are just out. Then it shows the game over screen as you say this, and when we click back, then we go back to the starting screen. Yeah. So let's start. So now, first of all, you need a Scratch account. So I have my Scratch account. If you don't have, then just sign up. Now, as I have my Scratch account, I am just going to click on create to start. So now we have to delete all the sprites. Now we are going to add a backdrop named blue sky, or you can add any one of your choice, but classically I'm just going to choose this. So let us start by just creating the start screen. So in the start screen, we should take this button, and now we are going to the costume and just delete that blue skin. Now take that front one, delete that we don't need the back, so I just delete it. So in here I am just choosing a dark color, not blue, because the background is blue. So I am taking the red and in the red here. So now we have this. Now we should have that ping pong. Okay, so the ping pong will be written column wise, so I am taking the letter P. Now group it, because it will have some problem, because this white one and the blue one are just separated. So now I'm you now so we have to write ping pong. So just take the letters according to it and just group it and copy and paste it to the end. Write ping pong. So the ping pong, you should write it column wise. So just now we have just spelled the ping pong. So just group all the words like this, the column wise that I said before. Then copy and paste it here and make the button big according to the ping pong. And after that we are just grouping this ping pong and the button. So just align it, and now we are just going to group it. As we know, now it's have been grouped, so just make it a little small. So I think a little more big for more clarity. So this should be here. Now we are just starting with the play button. Now to have a play button, just have the button too. So in the costume we do not need the blue button skin, but the orange one. So as we know, this text is the comic one type. So In here I am just writing with the text by the text tool here. So just write play. I am choosing here the color orange. No, not the color orange. This. So making it a little purple. Make it big, and now just group it. Okay, after you group it, make it big because it should be visible here. Now we need that display one that I showed you in the paddle one, and there is a smiley. So just search for paddle. In here, in the costumes, just tilt it to 45, to the angle of the 45, and from here, this point, make it this large, and from this point make it this large too. So this should look like this much big. Okay, I think little more big. I think this will be okay. Now for the smiley, we need a costume of the ball, yellow ball. So this yellow ball, just copy this yellow ball and paste it here. Now we have, for the smiley, you just take this circle one, and in both you have to choose that black one. It should be black, and here too the black. Make the eyes. When you make the perfect eyes, just copy and paste it again for the same size, the best results. Now I'm taking this but so it's look like it's looking forward. Now take the line and make the width to 7, and here just draw a straight line, not too much big. Then choose this option, reshape one, and now make it like this, and here from here you have, it should be small, and now just try to align it. If it look good, no it's not, it's liking that the mouth is out of his face. So disgusting. Yes, this is okay. Now just group all this and make it a little bigger. Now when you, yes, this much big is nice. Yes, this is okay. Now we have done with the starting screen, so we need to go to the code section for the coding. Now as we know, we have the series of that screen, so we will delete this my variable and just add a variable name screen. Now just make a display for the testing one. Now we are showing it on screen. Now the screen value is 0. So go to the events tab. When green flag clicked, so when the green flag is clicked, this variable should be 0. So set screen to 0. and this should be visible. So as it will be visible, so don't do this like this. So you have to make a forever loop. So in this forever loop we are going to have some conditions in. So equal to, in the operators, take this equal to 1, and now the screen, when the screen is equal to 0, then what? Then the starting screen should be displayed. So we need to make it show. We need to see this button. Okay, now this, then copy this forever loop to every sprite that we have till now. So in this we are going to add this when green flag click. Now there should be shown, and then now when we click the play button, it should show the, I think I just forgot to rename it, the play button. Just rename it and write play button. So as we know, this is our play button. Now when this sprite, this button is clicked, so after this we have to change next screen. So we will click on, we will go to variable and take the block out which is change screen by 1. Then in this forever loop take one more if condition and just so now as we have now this, so in this we are just going to make it. So after this, if then we need that if this, when it will be changed by 1, the screen will be 1. So in here we are writing that screen is equals to 1. When the screen is equals to 1, we will just hide this because the next screen will be displayed. So copy this in all other. Now after aligning all this code together, let's test it out. So here you can see the screen is 1 and everything is gone. Now this is our play area where we will play. So in this we will need 2 pedals. So one is pedal. Now name it player pedal. Now in this just duplicate it and name it, you can name it PC pedal in the shortcut. Now here we are going to make it align. So this is our play pedal, this will be here and this will be here. So the direction should be 0 for the both. Now we need this border, we need the border for when the ball hits that border. So take that border by typing line, and here will be this. You can just take it and make it direction 0. So now here is this, and now we are gonna duplicate it and I will put it here. So this is the border, and this is our PC player, and this is the player, and this is the computer. Now this is our the playing area. Now we need the ball. Just search for the ball, and here it is. We need the yellow ball, and now take it here. This is the pedal. So first we need to how the pedal will move. So let's just start with the player pedal. So we have to write that when the green flag is clicked, it should always at this area and take the forever loop. As we done in this the starting screen, we are going to do the same. Then I think we can just copy it. So now it is copied on this player pedal. Now we have this, so just we need to exchange this hide and the show. So now this is done. When the screen is 0 means the starting screen, and when this is clicked, when the play button is clicked, it will be shown. All the starting screen things will be cleared, and now this playing area will be shown, and the screen will be equal to the 1. Now it should show us. So to move this, so to move the player pedal, we need the mouse one. We are going to move it with the mouse. So in this, check this that this, yes, set Y to that mouse Y. Yes, here is mouse Y. Set Y to mouse Y. Now it will move according to the mouse. So this will happen. So now just copy this in all other. For this visibility, I'm copying in the line 2 and in the ball 1. Now we have done with moving this pedal. Now let's get to that another one. So this is the computer. Now how can we move this computer without if there is no player? So first just take it, go to X and Y for this saving, so that it will only appear at this position. Now so we need to set Y to what? Just guess it. Have any answer? No. So just go to the ball Y. In here, delete this block. Make a new variable and name it ball Y. So it will represent the ball Y axis. Now set ball Y. So I think set ball Y to here and this Y position. So it will always having this. ball Y position. Now just go to the player one, the PC pedal, and set Y to go to variable and ball Y. Now it will move according to the ball, but don't worry, the this this computer pedal will always don't win. It will also lose, so don't worry about that. Now we have done with the moving with the pedal. Now we can go to the ball, and here and here. I think just let's start with just set up the line, the border one. Now we need that it should always appear here. So here we go to the X and Y, which will have the current position of this line, and here remove the set Y because it won't move. Now just leave it. Now for that, in here also just remove that set Y to move, and just check that same block, go to X, 238 Y 10. Now it has the this have the this is this line, and this is the position, and this is the current position of it, so it will save it. Now we can test it. Let's start. So this ball Y is also showing, just uncheck it. Now it's not showing. We can start. Now the screen is equal to 0 and we are at the starting screen. Now we can just click play, and this should be happening, and this is moving on its own because it's having the my mouse access. I think it should be near this. It's very close to it, very far from that the border, so I just move it a little closer. Now in here we know that this should be happen, but now here we need the code. So here we will go to the motion and forever. If screen is so, in here we need that, yes, turn 15 degrees. In here just make it, yes, pick random from 50 to 150. Okay, now go to that motion one and move, make it 13 because 10 is lower. Yes, so I think it should be not in the forever. Yes, we are just going to that event one and just take this, and when I will take this, if this that screen is equal to 1, then it should be doing this. So in here, yes, I remember. Now just take it on the top in this, and take a forever loop here, and in there this forever loop will be there. Now when we will align it, you know what will happen. Yes, but it is going out of the screen, so we need a perfect solution for it. Now in the motion one, if you scroll down, you see that if on edge bounce, take this and now place it here and see No, it doesn't go out of the screen. So yeah, this is this now. Now. We are going to make that if the ball hits the paddle, then what will it do? So if the ball hits the paddle, take one more green flag for more, so that you are clear with this. So now go to the forever one, and in here you have you should you have this if block, and here you have to write if the ball touches if the ball touches if that ball touches that player paddle, then it should be moving to another, so moving in another direction. So now just copy this and paste it here. Now you can have this that move 10 steps. Yeah, you can have any steps that you like, but I am having 10 steps. So now we can see this when so this is my player pedal, and when it hits that player pedal, it just move around all. Now it's working more efficiently, and here you should be adding the weight one, because it have some bug if you don't add it. So weight, so how much you should be weight? You should add it 0.01. Okay, if you add more time, it will be seem like the game is lagging. Now you see how much efficiently it works. Now yes, it's going back to that. Now I know that. So let me make it that it touches when it touches the player that PC paddle, that computer paddle. So now choose the PC paddle, and the same thing. Now if you do it, now this is happening. I don't know why. Yes, now the PC is also playing and we are also playing the game. So for now we need the elimination when the game overs. So in the game over, we need the line one if it touches the line. So have one green flag clicked. In here you are taking the forever loop again. So I think you should copy this one and paste it here, but in here you are going to line, and when the line touches it, so remove all this. I think it's just a trash for this line. Now in here you need the motion one, just make it to the center. Yes, this is that angle. I think I need to copy this. So copy this position and paste it here. Now it will always be in the center, because after the game over, it can be there that in the back end the game will be played. So the game is going on. So now copy this if touching line. Now just do it here. Now make the line 2. when it touches the line 2, the again thing, the again it will have this law, as you know this. Yes, the game lags. I know. when it will yeah, this is happening now. It is having at the same position, so we need a game, so we need that it should be at the same position, so we need that there is nothing, so we are going to hide this by this hide. And yes, I just forgot you to tell that it will change the screen value. Yes, so in here we will select change ball y change screen by 1, and here to change screen by 1 if it touches anything. So for now we know. Let's just start it. So it is here and it is not touching anything more, so I think it's now ready for the so we need to do this in all. Okay, so in here in the paddle one, as you know, the ball has just there is just cleaned up now. In here we just need nothing for the screen 3, but in other we need the screen 3 program. So in the player paddle 1, go to control and choose the if condition, and if the screen is equals to 2, then what will it happen? It will hide. First of all, it will just hide, and we are going to do that. Sorry, it's just happening. So in this it will be at the home, it's in home position now. In here it is in home position and it is also in the home position. So now I think I should make it show. Yes, this player 1. So nothing to worry about. So I think I should make it show for now and make this and just delete this one, because I think it's the wrong. It is for the paddle one. So just delete this, go to 1461 and now delete it here too. In the ball one, I think I just forgot to do that. Now take this position, the position, so now make it in the all, make it in every one. Now it's hidden, it should be this, and player pad will all it should be also this. Now just add it here. So the PC pedal just the same, so duplicate it and just do this. I think it's just duplicate, but I don't know why did it duplicate. I think something is going on here. In line 2 in line 2 in all lines. Now in every single. Now we have this. So here, so I just need this, and this should be attached. So go to XY, should be deleted, and just add its position, and just do the same with every sprite. Now I don't know. So in the line 2 we have this. So in here we are just going to do this in now. No. It is having the wrong position. So just have it. Now we have this. Then the screen 2. So it should be done. Now I just lose it. Yes. So everything is clear now. Now we have to we have to make our new one. So in here I am going to fill this one, and now I'm making it tight, and in here bracket is there. Now I'm going to make a square bigger than the screen. Now here take the text one and click on here and write game over, and in game over you should make it another color. I am going to make it orange. Now write game over. So now make the text big, this much, and add here add a button sprite. Now add a button sprite. Yes, I think let's add this button too, and here we are going to use this orange one, and in this we are going to write back, BACK, and make the color different. So make it big and place it here. Now it's written back. I think I need a different color, some dark one. I think black will be okay. So just group this, and now make it more big, and you can place it here. Now in the code when the green flag will be clicked, in the forever loop add a if block. Now in it just write this, that if the screen is equals to 0 wait a second, we can make it small. So for I think in there was a block in the old Scratch where we can add or in this column. So yeah, so just write 0, and in that I have the hide one. Now duplicate it and just place it down, and it should be 1 0 1. Now duplicate the 1, and in the place of 1 just type 2 and show. Now in the event, when this button is clicked, back button, now it will set the variable screen to 0. And now our game is done. So congratulations, and just unmark the screen. Now I think we have just forgot to add this code in the backdrop one. So in the backdrop, in this backdrop, remove all hide and show. Just in the looks, take that switch backdrop. Now in this switch backdrop, take it blue sky, in this backdrop too, and duplicate it. Now this error will be gone. Now just replay it. Now ping pong, the smiley, and now play. Yo, this is our competitor. I have just to win with him. Now as we just lose, now we'll click back and we can just play again. So if you are new to my channel, just please subscribe and comment for more other videos like this, and thank you.